Hey beautifuls, welcome back to my channel today. So today we're going to be unboxing my BeautyFix for August 2024. Now BeautyFix is brought to you by Dermstore. Dermstore just recently put out an amazing limited edition bag that I just unboxed, and it was so good that I'm just hoping that some of that trickled over into their monthly subscription. So we're going to open up the August box today. I'm just hoping it's going to be a really good one, you guys. I have a good feeling about it, but we're going to check it all out and see what's inside. If you're interested in purchasing this subscription, I do have a link down below, and I also have a discount code. That code will work on anything and everything on the Dermstore website as well, including this subscription box. Now, what's great is the code will take it off of your total purchase order. So this is why I always recommend with this subscription, it is a great idea to purchase more than one box up front. So if you commit to a 3-month, 6-month plan, or even longer than that, you can save 15% off of all of those boxes versus just your first initial box. So I don't recommend it very often, but like I said, in this case, I do think it is better to buy more boxes up front. Plus, they'll also give you free shipping if you prepay ahead for 3 months or more. So usually when I sign up for my box, I go for a 3-month plan. It works out to being about $20 a month for this box, but I do have to pay that $60 up front for all 3 boxes. So this is what it looks like for August. I mean, it looks good at first. Oh, there's Babor. I just now saw what that was. At first glance, it looks really good this month. So let's start with that. This subscription will feature a mixture of full-size and travel-sized items in it. This product is definitely full-size though, and it's Babor, which is a really great brand. So this is going to be their cleanser. It says it's a nourishing cleanser with a non-greasy finish, and it's a deep cleanse for every skin type. Now, I've never tried this, but I have tried other products from Babor, and I do think they're a really great skincare brand. This is 100% vegan, and it's dermatologist tested as well. It's been shown to be safe for sensitive skin. It features soybean oil as the first ingredient. So just keep that in mind if you have any soy allergies. This might not be a product for you, but the ingredient list is actually very short, you guys, which I kind of like for cleansers. It mentions that it's the soybean oil. There's a peanut oil in here as well, but lots of plant-based ingredients. And then of course you've got your water in here. There's some fragrance they've added as well, but it's a very simple formula, which is really nice. So this is what it will look like outside of the box, and it does have a pump up here, so you could just set this up in your bathroom, have your cleanser ready to go morning and night. This is really exciting. So this retails for $40 on the Dermstore website, you guys. So already this box is paid for. Like I said, I paid $20 for the entire box, and this first item is already worth $40. So I'm already thrilled because I've already made my money back. Next item inside of my box, which is another brand that I love, is Lancer. This is the Method Polish. It is half an ounce or 14 grams, and it's designed for normal to combination skin. This is a daily exfoliating skin polish. It's infused with quartz crystals, pumpkin, and pomegranate enzymes. This will gently remove surface debris and dull, dry skin cells. That way it will make your skin smoother and softer after using this product. So this is essentially going to be an exfoliator, but like it says, it's also going to break down any sort of texture that you might have, dead skin cells as well. I kind of am intrigued by those quartz crystals that are in this. That's definitely something that's unique to this one. So here's what it looks like. I do feel like there's enough here to really try this and to see if you like it or not. It is a really great brand. Now, I don't believe this is a full-size product. Typically, they're quite a bit larger than this, but it wouldn't surprise me if even at this size, it has quite a bit of value to it. So just double checking on the Dermstore website, they do mention that this is a deluxe travel size that they have. The full-size version of this product retails for over $100 though. Next up, we have a product from Pi. Is that how you pronounce it? This is the Impossible Glow. It is a hyaluronic bronzing drop. This is an illuminator, and it's safe for sensitive skin even. It's vegan, cruelty-free, and it says it's all organic. You can actually add these drops to your moisturizer, and it will give you an illuminating glow then on your skin. So it's not gonna look this dark. You are only going to use a couple of drops for your entire face, and you're going to mix that in with another product. That way you'll get an even coverage amount. So even though this looks really bold in the bottle, you definitely will not see that much color. It will give you a bronzing glow. So I love the fact that it's all vegan though. Again, organic ingredients, they're all plant-based, which I think is really awesome in here. This one I've never tried, but it seems fairly simple. I think it should work really well. Now, this product is a full-size product inside of our box, and it says what they love about it is that it's a naturally derived pigment, which is also buildable, so you could add more drops if you want more glow. Additionally, there's hyaluronic acid in here and sea kelp, which will help to give you hydration back to your skin. Next item that we have is from Moroccan Oil. This is their shower gel, and it is 1 ounce or 30 ml, so it is travel-sized. This shower gel is a cleansing hydration, and it mentions that you can use this all over your body, including your face, and it will help to remove any dirt, makeup, or impurities. Also included is a BeautyFix bundle. So I definitely see an eye mask in here, but there's also an eye serum. And then is it 2 eye masks? Let's see here. So my first one says imprinting eye mask, and then yes, we've got 2. So we have 2 pairs for their eye masks. And then also inside of this bundle, we have their eye serum. So this will also help to take down any fine lines, any wrinkles around that eye area. I have used these masks before. They do really help as well with evening out like your skin's tone and taking down puffiness at the same time. So I would assume the serum's gonna even be better. It's age defying is what it says on here. So it really will target those fine lines and wrinkles and just smooth them out. But I think it's kind of cool that you get this whole little kit in here instead of getting just the 1 eye mask, because sometimes that will happen that you just get 1 product, but instead we got all of this. I did see online that because they're celebrating 25 years in business here in August, that they were going to be adding a little bit more to this BeautyFix box. I kind of wonder if that's what this is this is like the free celebrating bonus bundle. It doesn't say that anywhere online, but I just kind of have a hunch with that product. But next up, we have a product from Clarity RX. This is their calming serum. It's number 2 in their skincare setup. So Clarity RX is a really great brand. Again, they have lots of products for skincare. This one is designed to take down the appearance of redness and inflammation, but they have things for targeting all sorts of problems, you guys. Like if you have problematic skin, Clarity usually has things that are great for calming and fixing those issues. This is going to be travel size at 0.5 ounces or 15 ml. Again, at least it's a good amount to try. We're not getting like 3 ml of product, right? This has quite a bit in it that you're gonna know whether or not it's working for you if it is taking down that redness and calming it down. Of course, now I say that about the sizes, and then I see this little guy. This is from Paracone MD, which, if you guys have ever shopped that brand, they're also very expensive. We have the Face Finishing and Firming Moisturizer. So this is 0.25 ounces or 7.5 ml. Not a lot here, but I will say, this brand is not very generous. In all the times of unboxing beauty boxes, if I find anything from Paracone, it's typically small sizes. So this is very on par for the brand. But great moisturizer here. This is a firming moisturizer. So as we follow up through this skincare process, we do have this for some hydration. And the last official item inside of our BeautyFix for August is from SkinCeuticals. This is a brightening treatment. This one is 4 ml. It is a lightweight moisturizer that will soothe and correct out of balance skin. It is designed to give you brighter, clearer skin afterwards. So it does tell you a little bit more about this product on this card. It mentions that after 12 weeks, people visibly saw improved skin and they recommended this product. Unfortunately, we will not have 12 weeks worth of product here with a 4 ml bottle. So this is what it will look like. I think this is a great brand. I do think their products are strong and powerful enough to correct things. So I don't discount it. I just wish, again, they were a little bit bigger to really see those results, because it's just not enough to try it out long term. But excellent brand name in here. I do appreciate that. So that is everything for today's unboxing. Comment down below. Let me know what you guys think of this one, but I think this is worth it. I recommend this one. Even with those smaller little sizes, I think overall this is a very good value. So yes, I recommend this box today, you guys. Definitely look into it if you're interested. But until next time, have a great day, and I will see you guys all in my next unboxing video. Bye, beautifuls.